Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a landscape poster on Canva app. So, if you're using Canva, you can easily create something by using the templates including the landscape poster. So here I've already opened the Canva apps and I'm going to just click on the search column at the top and type in the landscape poster as the keyword. Click on enter. So here Canva will provide you with lots of options, poster options that you can select. For example, here I'm going to you can also here change the category and the style. For example, I'm going to go with uh pastel or and also vintage style. Click on apply. Oops. So you can just find the style that you want by using the filter, and in here you can select the poster that you want to use. For example, I'm going to go with this one. Here you can customize the template, and here you can make some changes based on your needs, your poster needs in here. For example, here I'm going to change the word we are close, for example, like this. And if you are done, you can just click on the arrow up and click on download to save the poster. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.